Well, hello, it's your old mate Dave Spencer back with you again. Well, I've been messing around with this artificial intelligence again and still using Glasgow scenes taken in the 1980s, trying to see if we could get the sharper images but not get a slight jerkiness in the motion like we got before. So what I've done is I've upped the rate of frames per second and the image size, so it's like a high definition image, and then when you shrink it down you gain that extra quality. I think this works quite well and probably will lay the foundation for processing many of our video archives. I say I've been back to the early 1980s and it works there, and I've taken it up to the end of the 80s, and I'm going to be bringing you all a DVD with artificial intelligence thrown in for nothing. What you say? I need some artificial intelligence for the lack of mine, probably. Anyway, I'm going to put a few seconds on at the beginning just so you can see what it was like without the processing, and then the rest of this short clip with it processed. And the processing takes a long time, take it from me. Anyway, I'll catch up with you at the end. Well, it's your old mate Dave Spencer back with you again. Oh, thanks for joining us. What did you think of that? I know a lot of people have enjoyed the enhanced detail which shows. Obviously the video techniques, well, if it wobbles a bit and zooms a bit, that was the 1980s for you. People were only just getting to grips with the new media. But I think it helps convey the era much better than sort of fuzzy images, and it's been a pleasure introducing this subject of artificial intelligence. And I hope some of you will go on to purchase the eventual DVD, as all our clips are one way or another advertising the huge range of films from PMP, and we've made over 4,000 over the years. How about that? Anyway, from me, it's bye for now, and see you all again shortly when I might have been playing around with all that technical magic yet again. Bye for now. Bye-bye.